goes in. Oh, that's already homemade. Right here, you want me to put one? There, that's all I have.
No, because once if you do the ones, like, kind of pick the end and screw down, and then we'll come back up top, and then we'll screw down, and it should hold pretty well.
Here's the thing, I can't see where any of the wood's at. So.
Well, just know on that end you have wood.
Oh, yeah.
And then if you look, these seams, that's going to be where...
Wood's at?
Yep. So here we are on top of our skylight pole barn, fixing the roof up some.
Right here now. Most things I've done since woodworking, haven't done nothing.
Sorry about the glare, but so we just put on some new tin up top. Still fixing some of the old tin, so we don't have to put a bunch of new stuff on. But secure my skylight. But have no worries. Still got one on the other side, so. See? Still got it.
I'll get there.
I hear you.
Woo, that wood's not stable at all.
If you just stand up and walk down the beam, it'd be a lot quicker.
I like scooting better.
Mm-hmm.
I'm more balanced out.
The ladder's over here by me, though, just so you know.
Oh, of course it is.
Down here. That's good.
What? Broke it?
It broke my bed. Hurry, or you're gonna miss all my action.
All your action. It's a lot. Works now.
Oh shit, he's always gonna work.
Supposedly.
death. Put a little thing. We're good to go. Goats can't get out at night. Let me put a string so that gets there. Perfect. Alright guys, so you seen what we did today. Give you a brief overview. We put the goats wall up. It's got a door. Put a hasp on the other goat door that comes outside. The son and I, oh Spiffy Griffy, we put a new tin up on the roof, fix some of the old stuff. That's gonna be it for us for today. Stinking turkeys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One last time, if you would, follow Baby Lulu's head. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Give me some wild comments. Y'all are crazy. I love you. We love you. And we'll see you on the next video.